This Xeikon 3300 digital label press produces wine labels that are embellished with hot foil and tactile spot varnish.
The Xeikon digital label presses use dry toner, and this has specific advantages. We can print on standard wine label material without the need for pre-treatment. When we print, there's no dot deformation and there is always good adhesion to the substrate.
The label was created by software from 4Ps.
We're here specifically to present a new solution for 3D visualization of packaging that allows you to, in a very early stage of the packaging creation process, to visualize in a very easy way your 2D created artwork in a 3D environment. We see here the label, a very specific example where we have the metal foil that is applied on that wine label. We're able to visualize that label on the bottle, but also the metallic effect.
The label includes a seal vector, which is a specific kind of barcode that is created by ATT. The barcode is such that it loses content if you try to copy it, and in this way it is a feature that takes care of brand protection.
Usually the customers ask us to protect the packaging component, so it can be the label, the capsule, the glass. Here you can see the authenticator that can be visible or invisible. We can also embed per unit variability using a QR code and also a variable design that is embedded in a PDF file that is sent from our secure server to the ripping process of the printer.
We print on a UPM Grafatac wine label substrate, which has a structure, and that's why we are using the Alpine Fusion drum. We are printing in 5 colors, meaning CMYK plus Super Black. After the press, the label material is being rewound on the rewind. The printed roll is then brought to an offline ABG device. This will take care of implementing hot foil and also a tactile spot varnish.
A matte UV varnish is applied and cured, and then a tactile spot varnish is applied with the screen printing process. The ABG device takes care of die cutting.